You may have seen the object spread operator in JavaScript. It's just a triple dot, and wondered what it is. Watch on to find out what it is and why it's useful. Let's look at a use case for this to see exactly what I mean. Say we have these objects that represent a customer, address, and an order. We then have a function, and we'll call it process order. It does some processing on the objects and then returns a single object which combines the data for all three. A naive implementation of this would be to return a new object literal with each of the keys written out, a bit like this. I won't finish doing the whole thing, but you get the idea. It works, but it's also extremely verbose. Let's rewrite this with the spread operator to make it more concise. So now we just return an object literal, doing a spread on each object in turn. This triple dot before the variable name is the spread operator. It basically means explode all of the properties out of the object into the new object. Let's do a console.log and we can see the result in the terminal. There we go, we've got a new object which is all three of the old objects combined. There is one caveat to this. The sharper ones amongst you will be wondering what happens when the objects we're combining have conflicting property names. So if we add an ID to address, what will be the ID in the final object? The one from customer or the one from address? So logging in the console, we see the address one gets used. This is because properties which come later overwrite previous properties. So if we were to switch the order of customer and address when we're building up the object, and then we rerun, the customer ID now overwrites the address ID. Finally, you can also add other properties to the resulting object. So if you want to put a date on this, I would just add it like this, like I would to any other object literal. And you see when we run it, we have our date in there. I have new videos going out regular as clockwork every Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday at 9 AM Eastern Time. Click that subscribe button now and don't miss them.